Warning, if you hear any licks, it is because of what you're seeing on the screen right now, and he's going to be in my lap for the duration of this clip, and I apologize in advance. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. That is my dog. He is upset that I'm not petting him right now. I apologize that I haven't spoken to you in about, I think it's been 6 months. The reason being, to put it simply, is that I just don't like how I talk. I've always said I prefer writing to speaking because with writing, I can properly convey my thoughts and feelings how I want to. But with speaking, I feel like it just always falls flat, it never comes out right. But with that being said, my hope, and my fingers are crossed, is that as I continue to speak in my YouTube videos, that I will grow to, I guess, learn how to better communicate with speech. And as you can see, I really need to work on it. Anyway, I'm really excited about this video because I'm making a pretty big change today. I am getting a baby midi haircut. Here's a little reference photo, oops, for you. My hair is the longest it's been since I was a child, I think. It's about to my chest. I was hoping to get it past to my rib cage, which is like down here. I just couldn't do it. It's too much. Yeah, it's just too much. The haircut I'm going for specifically is Marilyn Monroe in the 7-year itch, which I think is 1954. And her hair that year is just, it's just so dreamy. I found some really great reference photos of Marilyn's hair on set on the 7-year itch, and I'll put them on the screen now for you. There's a front, side, and back, and I'll also link these photos down below so you can show them to your stylist if you're also interested in getting this haircut. I really like those photos because her hair is not curly, and I feel like the stylist can really see how her hair is cut because it is vintage cut, and I want to get as close to her hair as I can because I really want my sets to turn out how hers did in that film. I'm hoping I can actually get some shots of my hair being cut. But I don't even know if my husband can come in to film those because we are in the middle of the pandemic and we want to be as safe as possible and make sure everyone's comfortable. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hello! I have my trusty tea because today is cold and rainy and I can't live without it. It is vintage Earl Grey, oat milk, and honey, and I highly suggest it, especially for days such as today. Okay, so it is the next day, and I absolutely loved my hair. The hairstylist was so sweet and kind, and the whole experience was amazing, and she did a wonderful job. She did exactly what I asked for. It's amazing. Right now my hair is giving me more Don't Bother to Knock Marilyn vibes rather than 7-year itch Marilyn, but I think that has everything to do with just how I said it. I did a curling iron set and then slept in the pin curls. I actually have to relearn how to do pin curls, like traditional proper pin curls, because when I had my longer hair I would just set my bangs like normal pin curls, but then I would use a curling iron to do the rest of my hair because it was just so long. So I would like to try and steer away from that, but we'll see how it goes. I've never really been good at pin curls. It's probably why my set looks crazy, especially the back. The back could use some work. I don't know how to set these tiny hairs back here. So if you have any tips or suggestions, please send them my way. Let's see if this is too hot to drink. Yeah, that was too hot. I think I just burned a hole in my esophagus. Whew. It's funny because I have wanted this haircut for so long, but I always thought that you needed blonde hair, you know. I don't know why I thought that. I think it's because I never saw many people with this haircut. I mean, Sophia Loren has a similar cut because it's the Italian cut, but I don't know. I just thought that to achieve the Marilyn look you needed blonde hair, but I don't think that's true. I'm like a Audrey Hepburn Marilyn right now, which I love. I love it. With my longer hair, I was going for more of a Brigitte Bardot look, and I still love her hair, but I think for me, this just feels more me. And I think if I were to go back to that look with the longer hair, I would want to dye my hair blonde because, I don't know, I think me and my husband were talking and we just think that if I do go back to my Brigitte Bardot look, that I'll probably dye my hair blonde. And the blonde I'm thinking of is, oh, I don't know how to say her name actually, I've only read it. I'll put her picture here. But if I were to go blonde, she is my inspiration. Her blonde hair is just perfection. Yeah. Oh, am I gonna try to drink this again? Oh, I'm just gonna burn my mouth, but I need it. If you are debating whether or not to cut your hair or something along those lines, change your appearance, I just say go for it because I feel like if you have that inkling, and if you're like me where you just express yourself visually, I think it's important to stay authentic to yourself. You can definitely start to feel not yourself and just out of place, so making that little change, like just cutting my hair, I already feel like myself again. I feel inspired to work on some things I've been wanting to do. And honestly, I just feel excited for life. Excited about life again. We'll see how long that lasts. Before I went to go get my hair cut, my husband and I went to a couple antique shops. I was just, trying to calm my nerves. So I actually want to show you a couple things. I'm just going to throw that into this video because there's some cute things that we got. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So the first couple things are decor and home items. First thing is this gorgeous mirror. It's the most beautiful shade of green. Hello! Anyway, this is a pretty large mirror and I absolutely love it. It's perfect. Yeah, so that's the first item. The next item I am absolutely in love with, and I would say it's a mix of Hollywood Regency and Art Deco. But it is this beautiful vanity tray. So beautiful. It has brass handles and just a mirror. I'm so excited for this. The next piece is a Pyrex piece, and I would say it very much encompasses the atomic era. Wow, look how it glows! It has the cutest little feet. It's a little casserole dish. And it has a glass inside and a little lid. Wow, it's angelic. Okay, the last item is just plain cute. That's all I can say about it. It is a little acorn hat. It's real fur. The tag says Marshall Fielding Company. And I will try it on for you. Hopefully my hair doesn't get ruined. I mean, come on, that is that is so funny and cute. I love it. I don't care if people laugh at me when they see me walking down the street in this. I look like a little Animal Crossing character. Like, this is an Animal Crossing hat. Anyway, those were just a few things that my husband and I picked up, and I'm very excited about them. They're really cute. And with that, I'll close this video, and I encourage you all, if you have that little inkling that you want to change something or get a haircut, I just say go for it. You will most likely not regret it, hopefully. And if you're anything like me, you will feel more like yourself and just a little bit excited about life again. Kind of sparks something. I don't know how to explain it. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!